How to change the name on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change your name on Instagram. First, open the Instagram page on your web browser. Go to the Profile tab on the left side. Now, click the Edit Profile button on the top near the username. Go to the Account Center using the box on the left of the screen. Click Personal Details and you can view all the details. In the Profile tab, click on your account name. Select the name option and enter a new name for your account. You can change the name twice within 14 days. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.